Hey there, future content creators, students, and knowledge seekers. Welcome to the Brew Story. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated with my latest videos. Today, we're tackling a topic that's been generating a lot of buzz lately, ChatGPT. I came across such great content which beautifully describes its usage to increase productivity. And indeed, it's a great tool. I personally have been using it a lot. But before you dive in, there are some essential things you should know. It's always a better idea to dive into a tool with better knowledge of its potential. So grab your notepads and let's get started. ChatGPT is a powerful AI language model developed by OpenAI. It's designed to generate human-like text, answer questions, and assist with various tasks. It's incredibly versatile, but it's essential to understand how to use it responsibly. ChatGPT can be an amazing tool. It can help you with writing, problem solving, and more. However, it's not without its potential pitfalls. AI-generated content can sometimes be inaccurate, biased, or even harmful. When using ChatGPT, always follow ethical guidelines. Never use it to create harmful or misleading content. Remember that it's not a replacement for critical thinking or human judgment. Even though ChatGPT can provide information, it's crucial to fact-check and verify any information it generates, especially if you're dealing with important decisions or sensitive topics. Avoid sharing personal information, confidential data, or sensitive details when using ChatGPT. It's always better to be cautious and protect your privacy. ChatGPT is not perfect. It can sometimes provide incorrect information or engage in off-topic discussions. Be patient and ready to guide the conversation. The more context you provide in your requests, the better ChatGPT can assist you. So, be as clear and specific as possible when asking for help. ChatGPT is continually evolving, and future updates may make it even more useful. Stay tuned for new features and improvements in this technology. In conclusion, ChatGPT is a fantastic tool with incredible potential. But, like any powerful tool, it must be used responsibly. Always double-check its responses and prioritize your own critical thinking. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends who are considering using ChatGPT.